सर तुमच्या आयज फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टरांची मिटींग जाली ऑन दीस GST concession program कितें जालें what happened?
No, as you are aware, in the 43rd GST Council meeting, two group of ministers were constituted. So I figure in both the group of ministers. Today was the first meeting of the group of ministers to discuss concessions, exemption from GST and COVID relief material. So as you are aware, we are affected by the pandemic in a big way. And when material arrived from different countries in terms of oxygen, in terms of oxygen concentrators, in terms of PPE kits, in terms of medicines, in terms of ventilators, naturally central government took a call and reduced the duty and basic custom duty, and the basic custom duty was reduced, as well as the GST was exempted for 3 months. They took a decision. We have got, as I said last time, in the GST Council, there is a GST Implementation Committee. It is called the GIC. So, in the last 43rd meeting, it came for confirmation or for information as to what decisions were taken by GIC. Now, when this came for when this came for confirmation, a group there were differences as to how much relief should be given, what should be exempted, and what should be the rate of exemption. All this figured. So, since decision was already taken by GIC, it was decided to let the decision should be let the decision stay, and while the decisions taken by GIC were implemented, meanwhile a committee was constituted, group of ministers, GOM, under the chairmanship of the Meghalaya Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad, and there were 7 other members on that. I have just given you the names. Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel, Deputy Chief Minister Gujarat, Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister Maharashtra, then Movin Godino, myself, then 4th was Bala Gopal, Minister Finance Kerala, Niranjan Puri, Minister Finance and Excise Odisha, Harish Rao, Minister Finance Telangana, Suresh Khanna, Minister for Finance Uttar Pradesh. So today was a marathon meeting we had. Right from 11 o'clock we finished only at 3 o'clock. But I am happy to inform you that after 4 hours of deliberation, we decided, we were given 8 days time to finalize the report and send it to the Honorable Finance Minister in turn to be put up for the GST Council meeting. We have finished our work in 3 days time. And tomorrow, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya will be sending our recommendations to the GST Council. I want to mention here, though I cannot give the details, I just want to mention this much, that on most of the COVID-related items, whether they are sanitizers, whether they are oxygen concentrators, whether they are oximeters, whether they are other types of equipment like ventilators, and whether it was other type of medicines as well. Most of the medicines we have decided to lower the GST rates for 3 months from 18% to 5%.
18% to
5%.
reduce
Yes,
for 3 months.
for 3 months.
Okay.
Because we have to beat the pandemic. So the GST Council wants that patient should have the particular equipment coming and getting treatment also at as low a rate as possible. So that is how we have recommended very low rates, that is 5%. Yeah, of course, government will lose revenue from 18% to come down to 5%. but it is a pandemic, and because we have very carefully lowered the rates on those items like medicines, which will be ultimately consumed by the end consumer, that is the patient. Patient will have to avail of those facilities, and patient has to pay. And then like this, I have got a whole list, but I don't think I can give it to you, because this until it goes to the GST Council and becomes confirmed, we are not allowed to give. But I have still given you a gist of it, and this type of relief being given, I think it is reaching out to the people during COVID times. And there were very healthy discussions, lengthy discussions. We have seen such senior people were there, 2 deputy chief ministers. Not only have we given relief or recommended to lower the tax on ventilators, but HFNC, then BPAP machine also, which is part of that infrastructure, we have given that, so that we have given the reduction, so that the people get the benefit. Idea behind recommending even lowering the duty or the GST rates for ventilators and BPAP and HFNC machines is simply this: whatever infrastructure that is created or is being created should not be created only in big cities or in big towns. It should be in the smaller hospitals, in small town, rural areas. That's the idea behind it. Because whatever infrastructure that medically we would be creating now during COVID time should be thereafter augmented further to continue as medical facilities or medical infrastructure for the common man even thereafter. So that is going to be the trust, and that's why we have taken this decision. Now, as far as